Hello guys, Oscar Hotel 8 Sierra Tango November here from Survival Tech Nord. Today I'm going to show you the key components to my Yaesu FT-891 Go Kit, and I'm going to show you a QSO where all three of those components are working together. Believe it or not, the kit is actually quite simple. It includes the Yaesu FT-891, the PowerFilm 120 watt FM16-7200, and the bespoke lithium iron phosphate battery pack we built last month on the channel. Now let's have a look and a listen while I have a QRO Portable with India Uniform 2, Charlie Kilo Sierra. Oscar Hotel 8 Sierra Tango November stroke Papa.
Oscar Hotel 8 again?
Yes sir, Oscar Hotel 8 Sierra Tango November stroke Papa.
Okay, Oscar Hotel 8 Sierra Tango November stroke Papa. Perfecto. Roger, 5-9 and not Italy. My name is Walter. Back to you.
100%. You're also 5'7" to 5'9" here. You're doing a fine job in Oscar Uniform, Lima Uniform, Oulu, Finland, near the Arctic Circle, QSL.
Okay, QSL. Thanks for information. I appreciate in North Italy and Roger, thanks.
73. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
If I would have known you all would like these type of videos earlier, I would have been sharing them sooner. Rock and roll, guys. Thanks for watching. Ciao.